myself. I think, sir, what you are doing, Odi, honestly, I'm not happy with it. And you just have to put a stop to it. If it's a planner, and I say, whatever you guys have in that studio, then you guys have to put a stop to it. Honestly, the education of all my yes. I did not complain that I was tired. Master, but what I'm saying, Master, don't tell me what you are saying. Opa, airline, Boeing 777, is it a small aircraft? It's like what you Rolls Royce.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Alright, Okuma 97.1. And then Benada 24th of January 2023. Yatana Sene Senia Goody Munsem. Echegu Ghana, I be bringing up in some name. Yedimun Comunina Eba. Yatuni didn't say Okuma Global Sports. Yes, sports around the globe. And then areas Yatana Siedimu and Ebunina Eba. And some of the doors will fear her and their area. And then some of the donor channel agent and Black Stars coaching job on us. So when you said the Black Stars of Ghana and they share coach. Now I'm paying for the short list now, Babontain. And I feel so dear old donor and I'm from him. But Ghana for the donor so I cassa at the phone. Oh, then Yadibia. Your boss here pay increase man farmer and I'm on the motorado. And the motorado has not said or quite increase war. Ghana for the runner Trauma and said for Black Stars coaching job on home. But member of Parliament and my Ningo Pram Honorable Samuel Jata George Sam George and Swakasa and for Black Stars coaching job on home. Every point we bet in summer, yes, Sam George at the 2 job. That feels you ram near Tim Comora crab. But Black Galaxies is also a day Abu Waba. At the end, I mean, TT. Black Galaxies players say Ansha. Tienye. Almost say Ansha. Now, I'm a quarter final game, no Ansha, no Oma Mo. Almost say, Massa, Modia Ko, Modia Ka. Once you are more. No Krana no Moka. Deputy Sports Minister. Yera Bobiansa. Honorable. After say Ghana and Sudan Bowie and Asia plus Makum Yensa any omutin komo. Tienye Deputy Minister of Youth and Sports Bobiansa Chias our players Amiba Budi any omutin komo. Abrante eye Glatin Awako. Ano eye captain at the Mother Black Galaxies. Samson Daniel Free Pan here. And a branch and Danlad Ibrahim. That place he means and a Deputy Minister of Youth and Sports is your money in common. That place and someone catch a minister and ye. So honorable you can't for free war. Listen say any Benin, any Nigeria qualifies and one far bonuses in my. The Benin and the minister said was it your mom I had $10,000. Minister say, you know, my mom $10,000 for a year Benin and I feel so the Nigeria qualification. And Benin for so that we could do a year $1,000. And I can say $6,000. And how much is Sudan? How much qualify? As this qualification bonus no matter. And so I qualify quarter final see bonuses and saying I'm more than more. Let's say that to just to balance and I cannot. And ya dear born on the ball. And you say players in the inside to Munyanko players. So then when I do Munasia, I dream one up almost mom captain tell Munkonom go country a deputy minister. And Janison and Sameba. And you want to see a lose against Madagascar. I think paying for channel Mutia Kebi and Fenfru. Sansam never near the moon come on. I'm an some crop yard beba. Bakum you know the tremendous I didn't come on. And then ask attention in your Black Stars and Black Galaxies. I'm no one some mobile. And Janson no. That's a Kesem Fama would see me now live on Facebook. Or Command Radio 97.1, YouTube or Command Radio 97.1. So I didn't check for now, making kind of out. Quite like your page, you know. Say nothing so far, I didn't check for two. Your WhatsApp line is 0551 667755. 0551 667755. And 0270 191971. 0270 191971. Second producer Yera Kofi Anson Powerful KB Nana Kofi Okori Achaman Krobi Asante Power Solo Paradise DJ Zigibi Ajua Pokia Ewana Wopoku and our friends to know TWC the writer commentator Johnson to the Chiri didn't day Bidia Calvin and Pontedi from Eka Mejo so now the boss player and account and I say baby and you know crab yatra say mama na kwa bana amana say the alcohol and I gentleman minim ni anti amana edin sa I know I edin yeah and I know I enter the war when he Inter Milan. Omo you heavy papa. Inter Milan. But still we'll go again. Midweek action oh never come him. Akwebi okwa assembly election na lose akobe for ni yan lose. Ora mo na njako. We go through with entity visual. Aja grata se wi ejina musa. Baba Krobia kwaba Krobia say bibia come on.
Ekaba dia dama bibia fine. Bibia ye kama pa.
About for say so I din.
Oh yes.
Bibia okay.
Oh.
Also haircut and we be cut one. Krobia Sante.
Okay, bibia fine. Bibia fine. O wa hoden mi say na de eye kakra.
We fan sa bende.
Obetuja share. Obetuja papa. Oko ye den. Oko ye den. Wa bano kwado obetuja ntino. Na bibia to me. Aye kamana. Okay. Before that, a very, very, very happy birthday to our very own brother, Kwame Paul. And I don't know, you say the friend of
Paul Brown.
Paul. Yes.
And then Paul Brown birthday.
Paul Brown birthday.
Oh, fantastic.
And Famano. Guys, no more now. Okum. Yes. Okum.
Famako can we no be musa. There say e full name Okum na to aso sa.
Debi. Okum.
Sanka me boa.
Debi. Guys now we more back door on wo munim de to aso no. You ba yen to me fan to from musa. Mtia
no nim no so beso hu.
O debi.
Okay.
Obeso hu anka ye be in public. No. So ana advanced birthday and confirm Frimpoma. Advanced birthday pa and confirm Frimpoma. You know high star Kia Kore and I always say Frimpoma advanced birthday into announce no en command pa Debbie Nadam for pa yes Nadam for pa take no ya be chana yakuma ko share transfer news ba kumienu pena ene ya ba be di enkomo kakran so wo fie.
Okay, and you know, Krobia no, and then Paul Brown, and then birthday, happy birthday, and confirm out Paul Brown. I'm sure now, on your kesepa, and I just say, and Shirana, and I say, and I want day, and I say, Diama, when you see any United Paul Brown, happy birthday, and confirm. I was friend Poma, advanced birthday, and confirm out Fikia or top was and Papa bad now, funny down terminal, or said no pepe, and then I'm also. And now you know, and also I don't know, Krobia, and they come on in a bar. That feels no, have it also.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero, no hay arquero, ¿quién le?
Another Champions League hat-trick for the head of the Real Madrid glitterati, Cristiano Ronaldo. Has gone over the top again for Jacko, who's in for
Yambo bibia ha ediabo 97.1 Ebredu se yade amano ne nsem a yaboboano no eba bedan yetifo enso ene yahwefo ehoromona na kofi okore adjuma together with AK the writer ene pasoro paradise wo mo abobo ansem na no ekrunche diegu krata so se menko no kwanten kronam famanfo krosu nsem no enfam bedan yetifo ene yahwefo dwumedie no etwegu live on our social media handles, especially on Facebook and so any YouTube no Facebook ayokoma radio 97.1 udruwa na ene wetumi like dwumedie no wepia share ama wo mo diaspora no so to me get in touch of the programmer yes so yet the urban on YouTube and so Ayokoma radio 971 nani o manso to me akonkan say ya kase radio no abapeye audio visual and ne wutie no now so share na wunya the clear vivid description of the stories yes so yet the urban enti yebehwemu and so ewo Africa nani o manso to me akonkan me amede ba edino eye Krobia Asante yebehwemu ewo Algeria eho ana the African Nations Championship and also etodwa and so ewo Algeria no eguso a ene no corner groups no say binomo complete uremu a group A up to ene no group E no ebinomo etumi complete group A no say nya two teams omo etumi ebuki wo ticket akodremu the quarter finals uremu a Algeria etumi qualify sanso na Mozambique and etumi qualify elsa group we mu a ene Libya enso ene Ethiopia wo so ekofie sanso na group B no Senegal enso ene Ivory Coast yes Ivory Coast wo so etumi etumi qualify a wo so call manim Senegal top group no with 6 points sanso ana Ivory Coast nso no etumi enyamba no 4 points a wo so etosu mienu Uganda any DR Congo enso Kofi was a particular group no mu a yede ni nyina no enso tuga uremo group C eho ana Black Galaxies Ghana wo so edi nkwe enso eho Madagascar top group no with 9 points a ono so ede eko Ghana nso no etosu mienu with 6 points in Madagascar enso any Ghana etumi abuki wom ticket a wo so etumi qualify Sudan any Morocco wo nyina enso Kofi ne Morocco je wentumi show up for the tournament ono so yede ho sem no eba eni matches ni bi enso ebetumi atodwa urema group D enso any group E no yenya wie kra nti ne matches awdo no so no ebetumi atodwa na Mauritania enso ene Mali ana airball 4 PM sharp ana sa game no eba so sanso ana urema Niger enso ene Cameroon enso airball de ono so ebetumi qualify na chese nioma nyina enso ekonkane ya complete group phase no nefe no quarter final pairing no jedini nyina so etumi atugwa ama nioma so no etumi akonkan yebefri Africa na ediani achemu enso ewo Europe yebekwa akohwe transfer stories awdo and also Chegu Elhontu Remu El Facebook Okoma Radio 97.1 Sansono and YouTube no Okoma Radio 971 to me enjoy said ya ene pictorials no and so Chegu other footage sinina and so Chegu Elhama Newman no to me konkai players are ene one more arrive the various camps one more sign contract no nina and so ba Newman no konkai DJ Zigipi and so boa ama ni live streaming no jumedi ne konkai bibia ko bia ekoni ya eyezigibia anko yenso anayo no a na bibia so etumi akonkan ebebremu ewo Arsenal the Ghana sese no wo say from the potential league champions wo so eda ho ebu adwuma manioma so no etumi akonkan se de nioma kono ewo se wo mprepre nioma echi na bibia so no enye kama se de akwansidie bia ba wo so ebetumi esi ano kwan ti abrante friend no Jacob Kua ono Polish international defender ene wo makoko fana ba ewo Spezia enso ewo Italian Scudetto ni mu abrante no etumi aba ene oba be hwe nim so betumi abo adwuma enso ede abo Arsenal wo so title winner wo mo hwe nim so betumi age no na bibie tumi aye kamanti abrante na about 25 million euros and abrante in the movie from Spezia waba be remu contract until June 2028 and an ebetumi aspa enso ewo Emirates for na kwete na nyoma so no etumi akonka ebe remu o Chelsea Nimsafi players pa de June we no and as January we one more sign players ni nyina yewura June kura masama no kura ndui na so January transfer de wo motumi asensan doto na brand your friend Hakim Ziyech ana ene wo mu hwe nim se potential teams womo ede be de ba bebremu no womo betumi consider na branch no so no womo etumi jani mu no no so etumi akọ na neoma so etumi aye kamanti Hakim Ziyech and hwe ya no so betumi movie ewo January transfer window imu ansa na neoma so no etumi akonka eho Manchester City udi weni evremu ewo in the South American Championship under 20 tournament and also el course na ene ya branch kuma biesi akan de ma Argentina womo so U20 team no na abrante their friend Massimo Perroni and you know officially Manchester City etumi asan abrante no a wo muso etumi confirm bibia enso ediama no na abrante no enso ebe dwane Manchester City team no after the tournament no so no ebetumi akwawie na nyoma so no etumi aye kama 5.5 contract and abrante no ne Etihad Stadium for no enso etumi asan ama nyoma konkan tino Perron Massimo enso etumi adwane Manchester City a nyoma konkan Tottenham Hotspur guso a right back ono so ebetumi aba Emerson Royal brantie bia Antonio Conte hu se o enya de a obetumi aboa wo mu season no enti ne wo mu hwehwe mu a brantie friend o Pedro Porro enso right back o si akan enso Edema Sporting Lisbon enso wo Portugal na enumu ana ne 37 million pounds anase euros a wo mu de ko wrem no enya de ampanifo etumi age atum ho enti wo mu hwe nim se nei no 40 million euros wo mu de ka ko wrem na ne o man so etumi akonkan any add-ons bia wo mu de be kan na Pedro Porro enso ya ba be pimu enso wo Tottenham akachi na nyoma so no etumi akonkan tin komotwetwe no guso a ene no course between Tottenham Hotspur enso ene Sporting Lisbon Lyon enso wo mo abranti a ye friend no Jeff Reid Adelaide ana ne no Sevilla enso etumi ene ne hwi ama abranti ne etumi akwa pimu 12 million euros ana ne abranti na akwa pimu enso Spain to join wo Facebook ni YouTube a ube say time abranti no Erlande Uremu Abrantia Bakwa, Modembo Kon Kanye Papa, and so Thiago Silva, Nasa Branti Modembono, Egusua Konkan, Akakuma bi, in Fiebeye Bakon, and the Bosum Rudona, and they will remove on the 40th anniversary, let's say age 40, and a branch in to me the so far no one more shade him send the contract in June and able to me as pa but I wish modern boy or than the who be here so to me at 1 year contract extension one more sound so Eddie Babema branch here your friend of Thiago Silva no team and so was Stamford Bridge Abujuma Eddie Ama Chelsea Manchester United in their quest so one must be a striker over to me about Beboa Anthony Martial and your man fa one more cover goes to be by or no so and fat wegus and nye I mean je ni say next game and the papa your friend of Ten Hag ebe to me starting to build and tie wo mo hwehwe mu a wo mo say Hurricane ne modern boy kon kan papa into Hurricane so ebe to me abasamen na wa ba bedwane asanso na branch a ono so Nigerian born international Victor Osimhen inform Victor Osimhen only the goalkeeping chart no and so Italian Scudetto ni mu ono so mo to me akon ho 150 million euros and na Di Laurentiis no mo and so axe o de ba na ne wetumi aba be fa branch no no so konti Manchester United Hurricane and Victor Osimhen June 2022 ayebe remana 23 womo ehye nim se samanimu womo betumi anya ba kon aba be de nim wo na manuoma so no etumi akonkan Frank James Lampard ewo mu and brother officially Everton so etumi abone na situma openino so no etumi eja ho 44 games and openino etumi boy as Everton manager 24 defeat and onyae 24 out of 44 12 wins per and 8 draws 27.3% win rate and a new openino edi connect say modern mono enye and also enekakra and also a free ho and so bana remwa Antonio Toto Conte ana intia eba and so hremwa Italian papers no report no free intene we didn't nkoma ama wo mu kirimo openino onu su junior ne contract with Tottenham Hotspur as their manager no and so baniwe na ya dia sa bri nkomo twetwe bia koso for an extension intene hu benya so openino anhwa season kwawi a obeja Tottenham so na ne oman so etumi akonkan na onu so no etumi akọ officially Netherlands womo national team etumi akonfirm Ronald Koeman formerly of Dutch woman national team no and formerly of FC Barcelona ene ono so etumi akọ replace Louis van Gaal after so ono so de wom ko pimo World Cup no a ene o mantumi ankon kan said na wom hwehwe enti Ronald Koeman ana ne watu anso akọ rimu ama noma etumi konkan UEFA eguso a ehwe se ene se beye yie pa player bia ni wa team bi ubetumi assign player na wa sign more than 5 years because ya say market no enti say no more sign players 8 years 7 years 9 years a bit say Todd Boehly oba Chelsea record 8.5 year ana wa sign a branch your friend Modric internet say sanet dia say UEFA ehwe nim say maximum kra no e be 5 years a club will be able to assign player on a long term contract and also ne kakra and also Kylian Mbappe Lotin ana eneno ono so endrada game back one one boy French Cup ni no to me ball 5 goals and we first ever player for Paris Saint-Germain one team ni mu a we to me about 5 goals in 90 minutes a single game we to me share 5 goals and so in Italy no akwa copy 119 goals as against 132 appearance we to me make and so Diama club nature say Brighton goals there on also Sha Manuoma Konkan endrada Hurricane to me bogo the only goal and also to me secure victory no edema Tottenham Hotspur enumu ama ono so etumi ayiku openia your friend Jimmy Graves ono so ne all time top scorer as for Tottenham Hotspur no openi no etumi ayiku o hwenim so betumi apa ho na enewa set for 266 goals and openi no etumi ahye enso ediama Tottenham Hotspur now no oye tie with Jimmy Graves as Tottenham Hotspur all time top scorers almost womo de corner nei and Antonio Koto Conte enso e kansem kakra e defend drag game womuso etumi enyai no yentino
to be the dreamer. We have to know that this is an important game for us and because FA Cup could be a target. Then we have also Champions League, 17 games to go in Premier League and it's upon us. It's upon us. If I see this desire again, this commitment, this unity, and the will to help each other, I think that we have time. We have time to have another good season. Yeah.
Weyene ensema Antonio Conte enso kind of Tottenham team said their league ni konede matches na edempa ne mumbedin se ombotumi win Premiership ti FA Cup bi ana ne wo mudi wo mani akira wo mo hwenim se ombotumi win na ne oman so etumi akonkan Jamie Carragher ana ne ono so etumi akaso ye former Liverpool legend ana ne wakaso ye pandit enso was Sky Sports oguso a okasa enti ne oman so etumi ekonkan kama enso ede ema no hono ma yedini nyina enso but no say Arsenal team no say hey upe team pa well coached na say enoma konkan pa yenti Carragher
team in the country right now, and I would go as far as to say the best team coached alongside Napoli, who are probably the most impressive team I've seen this season. They, for me, the two standout teams in Europe. When I watch the football that they play, how they coach, the movements, and again, I've highlighted McTominay and Eriksen. It's not a criticism. I don't know how you stop it. The actual football from Arsenal yesterday, through midfield, and the movements, and the role of Zinchenko was absolutely world class.
Boy ene ensema Jamie Carragher enso etumi edi to go for Arsenal wo musu team ne ho ene Mikel Arteta Juma ono so ebo Emirates edema the Gunners no ama ne oman so etumi akonkan Antonio Conte na nra ekobisa no so pani wo hwe se dia Chelsea England for national seal we onipa agbo game wi awie Chelsea wo hwe se dia wo mo spend ya asem ben na wo kan fan ana pani ni so ono de every manager bia ni dream say obenya club ona no ebe spend ska enti sisi ane do ne de oni hwe eka efa ho eno an obetumi aka every manager's dream so obenya ona or spend ska enti no comment and so ehwe no nsem a openi no etumi ede etugwa aha na ebru akwan amede amana ne nsem a yeboboa no enso etumi ede ebesi edino ekrobia santimi jemu diama eke na jumedi awodo no nso etumi ato aso.
Okay, enti ne krobia santina amana ne nsem kakra wono Anonsono etimi area pa ya babedin komo ofie parmami ka stene o journey live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 ansono we share live sound sona YouTube ansono Okuman Radio 97.1 WhatsApp line sono 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270-191-971 0270-191-971 and no WhatsApp lines and Vodafone no and so 0205-818-748 and no a brebum na mama kwa na ofra na so wafre ede afa honum inti and also I don't know oyibo buatin ede about also from Chuma Nerebihi in Kumasi, watching you live. Fabulous, the greatest. Greetings to Reverend Isaac Che, head pastor, the Nerebihi Maranatha Assemblies of God Church. See, I saw for somebody the government, you know. Well, I mean, yes, you know, we watching maybe I will be I ain't chow, papa. Ajuari apa. I say I think there's too much noise around the Black Galaxies, and this isn't going good for the upcoming quarterfinal match. Let's do things right. And also, Ajuadia or the Abba, our has say, Starboy Zozi watching the show live and clear at our Fomim Airport. Champion Kelvin, more fire. Congratulations to Madagascar for their massive victory against Sudan yesterday. Greetings to Yasma, Oyibo Wate, Tactics Man, and my lovely father. No joke. And yes, Starboy, they are their batches. I don't know, dear. My new team will support you. Starboy. The BL team you congratulate, you know. And also, no, you know. Father Abraham, they made him come up. And so, oh, fee. You made him come off. You made him come off. Honorable message about. Yes. If I be didn't come off, but I say about Black Galaxies, stand up for the Black Stars of Ghana. Coaching job, no. Ninty through the Black Stars coaching job, no. And was a honorable Samuel, Nate George. Ano MP the man go pram akasa erafa Black Stars coaching job no yenti some honorable Sam George and so no edituja.
That job they've given it to Chris Hughton already, so why are we wasting our time? They've given it to him because they want someone they can manipulate, someone who they can use to do their business, someone who they can tell for our team selection, okay, this one is my team player. Me, I'm at the GFA. This person plays for me. I'm his manager. Put him inside. Whether he's kicked the ball in 8 months or not, they put him inside. Look, let's not waste our time. People are doing business. You see, let's go and look. You want proof? I'll give you proof. Tell me how Baba Rahman found way into the last squad in our final game at the World Cup. What ball did he play? What ball had he played? Is Baba Rahman's agent not our GFA president? Look, people should not annoy us in this country. We are angry and we are walking. Your boy, you need powder. And I
and you know, and then some honorable Sam George, I do too. I was there, you wanted here. Monam na muye did not say that one you are hard. You're a Christian. No mum, tie. Sagana force and farmer Christian. Yen a Cassian farmer. No mum, the entire Christian no grandness, they can manipulate. O met me the dinner search ran on your own for way bomb for way more, free women, free way. And no tina on the map. Aye, Yura, aye, Christian. One thing here, my instance will be that feels to tea and some are a member of parliament. Our Ghana, Mrasebe Jenny, it's your cost proof. Sam George, Simbium.
That job, they've given it to Chris Hughton already, so why are we wasting our time? They've given it to him because they want someone they can manipulate, someone who they can use to do their business, someone who they can tell, if our team selection, okay, this one is my team player. Me, I'm at the GFA. This person plays for me. I'm his manager. Put him inside. Whether he's kicked the ball in 8 months or not, they put him inside. Look, let's not waste our time. People are doing business. You see, let's go and look. You want proof? I'll give you proof. Tell me how Baba Rahman found way into the last squad in our final game at the World Cup. What ball did he play? What ball had he played? Is Baba Rahman's agent not our GFA president? Look, people should not annoy us in this country. We are angry and we are walking. Your boy, you need powder. And I.
You know, your boy, you need powder. And now we need a full committee. A man from super, we on control. No, a man manipulating. No much training on fire Black Stars. No, and yeah, pass solo. As somewhere down. No.
Again, that's my minchia na minchia tea for near for na minchia prince. Ono suti issue no the work we happen tea. Ewie minchia no na yenka amanfo so say nyame aduma weekend we na prophetess Elizabeth Yeboah na ye na eba so wo akropom ebru akuapem ebru ha ya enti no obia embra na bejam ye prophetess Elizabeth Yeboah ewo mushaf ehono na hona ye na beba so nia minister honorable no e kan no no kore yes Ghana for nyina ase yemfa adwuma ne mfema Chris Hughton
Ghana for do na
obia
anyobia Ghana for do na
oh okay yeah ba me de
come on
pe coaches a ya list omo no me ka omo a yese yemfema Chris Hughton no pe coaches a ya list omo se omo emu ba ku ne ebeyi e de adwuma de ama ne de e de yemfema Chris Hughton eno ni obi a watena team no so emu ache odi team na ebo World Cup playoff ni bia ntu ohun insane team nete anso na omko World Cup no obata team no wa hu sene team nete so wa hu team no and wa hu obia modimo ene sene a ye friend national team now obefa so ababesi akan onim player oye good onim player onye good edema national team no enti edema no a okwan bi so no eto asom but asema Honorable Sam George esan kan ye editwa ato ne se ono ni obi a Ghana Football Association panyufo ebetumi an influence no in terms of selection our Black Stars say if a player we ball and no sinsu pi say yenhwe wo kwan enam so ma Abdul Baba Rahman etumi make final squad ekowura mu Black Stars World Cup na say yenim Baba Rahman agency awowom ene yenim agency no nipa ne dia ni na so ye dia wo lead yem football no okromu ha yenim Baba Rahman performance oko Chelsea yenim ball awakobo Chelsea ene yenim ni ogusu ebo enei owo red na wo bo loan no akwa na kodu red ene ogusu ebo loan enso ho and yenim ne performance no but ekwo wi achi no okọ World Cup ni bi enti Chris Wood no adwuma ne de report eba eni ne ye beba aba wankyire nyina kyerɛ sɛ ɔno a ne de bema no GF for sɛ enye no kora da sɛ ya appoint Blasters coach sɛ enye no kora sɛ ne nam me de bi kora kyerɛ sɛ ne nam sɛ Chris Wood ne de adwuma ne ama no GF for sɛ enye no kora awie yi ɔma confirm sɛ enye no kora sɛ ye de adwuma ne de ama Chris Wood na momo ye de so a adwuma no even aban na nkasa ebe sɛ ɔno ne de ma no government no ono pese hutin ne edema no ento ya de adwuma de ono benya but wo beba no ne ya de CK akono ne ya de ye otoado no eno de yempe ne ya de ye Milovan Rajevac no eno ne yempe bi awa Kresutin so omuma na kwanya no no ye say wo no edom de e ma na coach bia ye de beba ne bia no ye ma no da akwanya no no won so tim nim no no nkasa mfa ne nim de any na assistant coaches no nim die no mo fa nya adwuma no players on be boa national team no eno ne ye hwehwe ye gi afcon ni bi a che mimi hu Black Stars awaje trophy da efi say ye wo mi ba wiase trophy ma hu say Ghana age eye de da you no mo de ena ma hu ena kire ye free ba ne no so akwaji bi ena fe local Black Stars eno no Ghana trophies a ma hu say Ghana age but say Black Stars pa de yeji trophy ache enti Ghana fo nyina hwe anim say Black Stars bekwa kwaje anye bia no AFCON this time around enyame adon a match ya ye boy en qualifiers performance no bia hwe anim say after say ye call AFCON 2021 anye ye ni ye call World Cup na anye ye no performance no amum put in performance e be boa performance a wasoro e wo qualifiers nim enu no bi e twen se team na bebeye enu omu tumi yire omu so qualifier ombeko no makwa bom ho modern e wo tournament na ase this time around omu kwa enkoyo Comoros eni abeshe Ghana ni efrim ahwe e wo yen group na mombeko perform ye nempo ombeko so akomanim akwaji trophy na ba Ghana for enu ne ye twen your players no your squad no but ye pe coach ya obetumi agire da nan so akache GFM panyufo yi say me ma wo entwusu player ma me because so de omukọ na nkoye yi a sa krofukuru ya na bebo utiro so eno ne ade aye twen enti Kesuti no se hwan yo eno o de bema na adwuma no a omunja no ye na adwuma ono ye ne selection ono empany players on betumi aba be perform edama Black Stars na ya hwese ebenya nsusu asopa because ye jai yan coaches na ya appoint omo edoko yan national teams no so omo nya adwuma on betumi ya adwuma na ye ni ye ye wo coaches bia se ye mamo sa free role no so omo player energy if president abaka kire ye say enye coach nkwa na be selection dey Black Stars but ye ka kire ni say this time around ye mpesa ni o ma no eno ni ye mpe on man coach ni free role on play on for the trimo fan ya adwuma on for the nim de ya adwuma players o gidi yes on betumi aboa no eno no for mo ye but me for players pushi coach ne say for player we kobo eno na sa ne de performance ne nkoye eno coach ku so ye be mo adwuma no be yes a ankoyi a Ghana for be bo achi ye bo achi so a sankrofo kro na no on be sen apamon
okay I know pass solo paradise ne de akra ano so that to job and so no erefa honorable Sam George Nensam erefa Kresutin hono and so I don't know krobia wa ha ano so be wuram na afin so no honorable Sam wa de atudwa no ano so akere na adwen erefa ho krobia
well okay mo be a very good afternoon I mean chia Kechi Trend minchia guys no ya ketwa yeah minchia obi bia ho no na enoma en konkan well I think that we know an insider, an exclusive from Honorable because he's a member of Ghana's parliament. Or Juma El Hozo. And the name say no share said ya na yina yen kase mutina. Enya dia ye wo that utmost trust no in our GFA in Pennyphone, ye nisa trust no mu bebre and when giving them the ultimate authority say woman at the end of the day one more pointy coaches are na most of us, especially those who found themselves in the football ecosystem, talking of the media, any one more di football who say masa Brenna, because you times coach papa your friend no ketokre kunkun aba ye coach sawaba. I think so beto Kwesi Appiah eno sake Kwesi Appiah ana ansana CK Akono bai CK Akono ko Milovan Rajevac Miloko and Otto Addo. So ono ankasa alone no buy as president no these 4 coaches yen tournament and akwa na say dem brana 4 coaches we ye bomayen obi ampo ni wo to me spend even a season make a calendar year 1 year obi ampo ni wo 4 coaches and if na ono ankasa no kra ye to aban man no if no ba be twa ne first term aye ba be to ne second term into ono ankasa no ni 4 years mandate no first round no ensun you but yen nya 4 coaches under him. So what has intimi when he say sani o mani nyina wa kire say okay say yema efe no enkwa da maximum authority na material wo mo de ba on board no emboa oman no as a whole oman ni nyina emboa yen because at the end of the day your oman ni sika an ye di tua those managers neka coach obeba ene backroom staff or the one beba nyina no individual taxpayers money and ye nyina ye di tuaka ye kan abanga hina ne abang yen ne ye ne government no me a meeting ne wa uti yen ne ye ne abang yen ne ye make abang no nti yen ska. If that is the case then we will also have our bite so far as appointing our national team manager concerned, and that is concerns now from the media. Everybody will be can be and would do parliament to I think say woman so discuss the way I be young football in ade to me a concan, especially young Black Stars na ye de call Edwama so a wo mutu mi to no eno na say ye be to me a page ade concan. And I think say coaches no dey okay sisi an wo mo ho exclusive ni yen from honorable say be ye Chris Hughton, say be ye Hector Cooper, say be ye Thomas Tuchel, say be ye Kwesi Appiah, say be ye George Boateng. We are yet to know from the official communique what must be to media, and we've been promised by the FA official say next month February simu next week probably the official communique from the FA with regards to manager Obabeje Black Stars ejuma na ye nebeba abonten enebe to abonten then ye nyina ye bia nso ye be scrutinize sa personality ejuma na ba be si ne nan so no as to say onu nso betumi den akonkan akọ baby ana say oba for what medium term, short term, and as a long term project no na ye di team ne ba be mana ba for all Ghanaians to know say coach dey on first year say no man ko yie kura ye be man that opportunity no na ono nso etumi dey atetew ye youngest squad a ye de ko pie mu e wo World Cup na say Ghana Black Stars na ikuta the youngest squad a ye de ko pie mu. If that is the case uhia a manager umano sa players na obetumi atete wo manwa benyinga be ye mpan nipa na bo no etumi abebo ni. So I think say with all these things considered no wo mo abehu who fits into the project ye person ye page Black Stars ekwakodu no. I think say they will do due diligence too sa we no mandate na ye dey amam. So with the whether the Ministry of Youth and Sports together with the GFA and other football gurus no one more tena say ape coach Obabeje Ejumane. I think say at the end of the official announcement any manager won't be present the Magana no and ye nyina ye behwe ne botayentia what the Ejumane mass mesi then we all sit down then yenso ye scrutinize and ya hwem say na nyoma betumi akọ.
Remember me are Black Galaxies issues no. I think say my facts no. Say and also esifa etie about Black Galaxies issues no na manfo nyamo antias ye about issues cause Black Galaxies camp no nyabani players no penifo di kind promise $5,000 dollars each. That player be $5,000 say I'm born Nigeria ne Guinea game so ma 5,000 or Benin na 5,000 Nigeria be $10,000 that each player be aboard that qualifies that Nigerian Benin be $10,000 and then the agreement in 24 and so no and you but in 24 out of 10,000 no It's $3,000 each. Animal player be it's a $7,000 so meet ya for qualification, you know, to the Chan tournament, you know. And you know, almost a year she say, edgy 2 months, you know, almost Chan now. Qualification bonus, our Chan tournament, national player be edgy $6,000. $6,000. It's already normally $7,000. And I was going to promise you almost $6,000 each player. Now go $13,000 zika. On the bedding at the Bemomo. And the ball qualifies in the players are caught when you win the ball qualifies, you know. It is our ball qualifies in the $13,000 at our. Oh, I mean, one more qualifies in the now about tournament in the map. Chan tournament in the map. Oh, $6,000 now about bedding. Oh, Babaji. It's a place as you see. I'm more Chan tournament in the and fine yet. Niemfa qualifies on 20. 7,000 in the other chain. 6,000 almost some qualify from the more and you're qualify. But deputy minister, Ivan Sopoku, Bubi, Egosia players, that's the leaders of the players, you know. Dan Lad Ibrahim, and a friend is saying, a free buying and glass in Awako. And it to a man said, and ya dear, Omenya Sasikano, Ediama, players, you know. And ya do Omenya Sasikano. And my players, you know, and 6,000 Omenya 4,500. Out of 6,000 qualification bonus on my qualifier, you know, Omenya 6,000 in my Scomenya 4,500. Already, no, so no, I agree. So much just $6,000. But any deputy minister, so much 6,000, 4,500. And Omenya. Grab ya.
Well, okay, I think it's a Nina Muno Anka Bonibia Nim. Bonibia nim dia meeting ko course no dia minister kan nyina anka bonibia nim but baby a problem no e won say agreement we nyina should have been done even before the tournament commencement. So what I say, if say 6,000 and as a certain amount of money and I'm going to our my players, you know, at the end of one more qualifiers I think say for that one, especially one more qualification bonus in there say no there was say womutuya mo bibia. If that and
the 7,000
yes, I know you Sudan Nigeria game and I know there
Benin Nigeria.
Yes, Benin Nigeria game no yes. And I know there one more balance na ka on there and the omang ni nyina na sisi ya de wo muka. Nti I think say no problem bi an shede ni ho. E was say me ma 10,000. Me so and also I think say one be explain ya kire wo de ntia wo mu ntumi mfa sa 10,000 ne ma wo sisi na emom no wo me ma won sa 3,000 na ka 7,000 no accepted and no de ye kana wo de me na da ho. But I think say baby a problem no wo no pa say after say wo be advance from the group stages, you know, security say wo mo etua because they say on mine ankasa no yen national teams, you know, yen tuya winning bonus and farmer wo mo bi o name mo qualification bonus after say we say through from the group stages, you know, na ya ma osika. So I think say anka ne papa mu ampa sa ne oma we nyina no e wo say wo mo consider enhwe wo mo futuo mo nhwe be bia say wo mbanya sika edi etua players ne ka ba say Ubema ne 5,000 na at the end of the day won abo a qualify wie na wa be ka kire ni se o enokra mi nya ma o enye se wutu ebi na ka bi te se ne awo ye no during the qualifiers no we di wunya de awobenya ni automatic sa de okay I think say ho ana problem no
e mo ko work about say kan say sawo no
e ho ana problem no and sa de no anka we enye problem we ye locally based players are yes e was ye treaty wo mo equal ye treaty wo mo yie but and come on one can go fie so say mu qualify after group stages, you know, mu to me qualify from group stages sika we na say ye de be mamu sa sika de wo say mu di so but up to this time I want qualify we onipa na ye adwuma na wie what yase o say meje o 10 cedi what yase ma wa ye adwuma na wie anse na be ka chense da bi ade ne kra 5 cedi na mema o I think say no de e no nya right and ye hu say sa players we no mo e wo ho no wo mo so e te say Black Stars na these players here womu nyina awako no mo download no mo free banum these players we nyina opportunity to don the national shirt Black Stars of Ghana no proper ankasa etumi abo game said dey am Black Stars ankasa so ade aye ntumi mfan ye Black Stars no enti say ye dey junior side because we no one players ebinumu nso no ye ko ye nimu no wo mo ka akobɔ Black Stars na nkasa and I think the side we nya de a betumi ade aye Black Stars ankasa nti se yentumi mfa yen won de nti sanka wo mutumi ade ye Galaxies no and I think say ɛhɔ ana problem no but anka bibia wo hɔ de I think say eye ka sika no na wo mu anye ntua ne nyina problem bia anhye da ni wo say your man ne ni players na enya ho asem but for sa promise and field no say if ya ba be sika twetwen I think say sa nyoma we bia na 2014 World Cup e Brazil ekofa oye ne buy no we crampo no eno crampo no na enye money deduction and as asemo sika amba on time the very time we was a players ni nya sika no ewo wo mo sika no reflect ewo wo mo account mu na wo mo nkobo game no wo mo nya akoma fine fan nkobo game no I think say eno na nkoba sa e de oye na ekopie wo camp ewo 2014 Brazil World Cup ase and now she Sabonia esanso mpanifo sanso etwa to I don't think say because me hu wo mo consider sika wo mo wo ana say wo mo susu say players in modern na she dan I don't know because no matter the situation wo mo qualify therefore they must be given what is due them.
Yeah, it costs $13,000. You know, probably you might get about 1.3 billion.
Yeah,
and playing a local league now, about 2
sure because
just a qualifier now it's made 1.3 billion. All about yeah, baby.
Yes, so I think say I wanna me problem kakra or batanka enya DBA chire so yire so and these players you know one more so bet to me one more betting pen for us I don't think say be affect players in Ankasa because we a player na when you say platform way e chan tournament we say avalanche of scouts are ma be PM wo na because of sika akemu aban wa na say promise and fail be akoso wo camp ntina wo se wo mbobo ni ya eya wo future and say wo say even some countries anka okopie wo those countries ni kra anka nya ade a wo be boss game we enya sika but game a be prepare and the way nya club akwa
akọ na tembia a major tournament this thing keeps on happening. Sika sem.
And that is poor management because I think say we know yes,
they agreed.
Agreed fee.
They agreed fee. They pay 6,000.
Agreed fee.
And now who got your say over 4,500.
Agreed fee because even before I want to to a hand, one musi
yes.
I could deem come off a one musika semuna as and when even during the qualifiers, you know, sikani nyina one move to yama one. So I think say even Algeria honum one more have a lot of meetings within the group. Because before the tournament nankasa be start no na hu ni ade free camp ba one more tena se akasa so okay. I don't know where sad way no how truta sad no nso ebetumi aye and so far as if yenim say if we one if or in terms of where the what the two ana no kware bi anim a wo be respond but I think say we keep it too long and ye nya any CBR from FA no and yansu ye take ana ne no ye de ko and I think say that truth be ebe was nyoma ne ekosunu so yen hwe in their game a wo ka akọbọ yen hwe say the nyoma betumi akọ as two say sa nyoma we betumi have any negative effect wo wo game wo betumi abọ no so quarter finals no.
Okay, mema konya na etiefo so na bem na solo abeto so e wo ha 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and our face 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and our face 0205 818 748 Mubia Freba Mejo so Black Stars coaching job no and you know Sam George Amayati as Chris Utina and I want my name still no influence papa no Black Galaxies players is most 6,000. I feel more my 4,005. And they will full abacam. Charawaji and so no FFA home. I will do my DNA. So where they are back. If you are my black man, I still watching you live inside Pig Farm in Accra. More fire. Ofe Maxwell so watching the show live and live across Ekwapim. God bless you all. My greetings to Odoya Kwamoso. She loves Okuman Radio pa. Wow. Odoya Kwamoso. My inchao ye papa na nyamisha so sa breni adonya onya bre SWT Okuman 97.1. Papa Fresh area pa. Osi keep up the good work watching you live in one corner. Be as one corner. This is a man. I didn't do be at 10 manchua. No. Zolo Galaxy and some.
Okay, ministry, you know, NEF, you know, Amboa players, you know. Abribia and local football, no. Yeah, to Tonase, and yeah, man, local football, yeah, say, Adibi and win here, and woman, but I know no one so, and sa football people, yeah, essence to the demo, and one a ministry, and one a band, and so the demo, yeah, tournament, sa football, yeah, a band is some Crawford, and your moko. Oh, politicians, obey the game, I am. But they do baby, I was say, your local based players, and also, your show Munkura and Kakra, na, and also, to me, a picture boys, no to me, Kuam, and ye bibi, near will say yes, almost so a honor, na, ya ye bibi and a boom, abem. Yes, and then, and Chelsea, someone I call you bibi, oh, hunty, and Momo Mobono, or Bebo, all right. But also, a fair baby, no, who's his player, no, who's his no. We now agreement to say, make your 6,000 qualification bonus. Omo do my last in go so, baby omo ko boy against Sudan game no. Na yo wo enkwa. Boys need the omo last in go so. Ye na ya hwe ball ni bi. First half, ye Ghana, ye di can Ghana first. And so better can share 2 goals ka ho. Any that qualification no. Ento ma qualify wie. Sika kakra no so amode be mo. Na san hye mu kwa mi wa mu di kan kura de omo ka. No kura no matua bi aka bi ni aka no so so sensen ne matua e kadada no ne matua no kura so ni aka no so sensen ne matua na so masen akwa bro mu mogani a qualify e de e ko mani mu dwumadi ani mu a omu sika sam first kan man e ye de na so be ka kire ne bi mu se mete so etimi bisa sports minister no any deputy mi bisa president mi bisa finance minister say emra na Black Galaxies eba be ko Algeria no omo shafutu mu a no mu nya $6,000 no enfema players no na omu ni mu say 4,500 and ombenya and omu ko show mo say ombe mo 6,000 na
Okay. I think that we're in a running story on, you know. I just see before bomb match against Nigeria Cameroon. No, you be with na young same penny for and so no ever finalize Bibiana sa game no and so that me pass about plus in your tre. I quite say abind o kadiana butayamo a che so den kura obetu ya any DK poison any wajin $40,000 into and yen abind o kakura waje yetu man until abind o kakura na ayahwe abind ya na mu nyize mu bond na mu fango to bi ntino mo ja mu gota abind bond metumfo ngota abind bond and de bekem anti I don't know you see na yes ya queen mama we say Auntie Constance Ansa Boateng Auntie Constance Ansa Boateng sister Okum nini aba no happy birthday enko enfama no ene na woda pa anti no Auntie Constance Ansa Boateng happy birthday enko enfama sanso na Mrs. Ofei do na for ama yes Mrs. Ofei ene birthday anti ama yankopon shout na onye okesi happy birthday enso no enko enfama Prince Henry Oredu ono wo mu okre Prince Henry Oredu otemu okre ono no incoming parliamentary candidate adema the National Democratic Congress NDC okre Prince Henry Oredu oye heavy papa but so show no on fen ni agro akoma radio so no on fen ni agro ntina Prince Henry Oredu utemu okre incoming parliamentary candidate ama oye NDC okre no eye ene awie but timu ni ya chiao so ye heavy papa and also I don't know yebeko na afei nso no dwumadi aka no atoa so na mmom no ɛyɛ madam nyamekyɛ ɔbaapa of Obapa's cuisine ɛne yɛ birthday nti madam nyamekyɛ Obapa's cuisine happy birthday and confirm out madam nyamekyɛ amebo ɛkyena ɛbɛba na yɛabɛto as executive producer Ira Kofi Anson but for KB heavy sounds like Nana Kofi Okori Ajiman Ziggy Dundee the writer commentator Club Ya Sante Pasolo Paradise sounds like any Adwa Pokia Ewanam Munyamota Chima Edi Jumedi no and so by Edi no still remains Kelvin and Pontedi Ufrem Eka Mejoso Nemum Ana Kai now the boss player no and so no account Muchum